Hello everyone, welcome to the MS English. Today we are going to learn types of pronouns in a simple and smart way. Personal pronoun. Personal pronouns are used for specific persons or things. Examples: I, you, he, she, it, we, they. She is dancing. In this sentence, she is a personal pronoun. Possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun shows ownership. Examples: mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs. This book is mine. In this sentence, mine is a possessive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun refers back to the subject. For examples, myself, yourself, himself, herself. These are reflexive pronouns. He hurt himself. In this sentence, himself is a reflexive pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun points to something. Examples: this, that, these, those. These are my shoes. In this sentence, demonstrative pronoun is these. Interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun is used to ask questions. Examples: who, what, which, whose. Who is calling you? In this sentence, who is an interrogative pronoun. Relative pronoun. Relative pronoun joins a clause to a noun. Examples: who, which, that, whose. The girl who is singing is my sister. In this sentence, who is used as a relative pronoun. Indefinite pronoun. Indefinite pronoun refers to non-specific things. Examples: someone, anyone, everyone, something. Someone is knocking. In this sentence, someone is indefinite pronoun. Distributive pronoun. Distributive pronoun refers to members one by one. Examples: each, either, neither. Each of them is ready. In this sentence, each is a distributive pronoun. Reciprocal pronoun. Reciprocal pronoun shows mutual action. Examples: each other, one another. They help each other. Here, each other is a reciprocal pronoun. Quick revision. Personal pronoun, person. Possessive pronoun, ownership. Reflexive pronoun, self. Demonstrative pronoun, pointing. Interrogative pronoun, question. Relative pronoun, joining. Indefinite pronoun, not specific. Distributive pronoun, one by one. Reciprocal pronoun, mutual. Tell me in the comments, each student is ready. Which type of pronoun is each? Like this video, comment your answer, subscribe to the MS English, follow our Facebook page, the MS English for daily English tips.